We live in an era of increasing uncertainty. Natural disasters are becoming more frequent and intense. Pandemics can emerge unexpectedly. Economic downturns can happen swiftly. In the face of these potential crises, being prepared is not just a good idea, it's essential. Emergency preparedness is no longer a fringe concern. It's a fundamental aspect of modern life. Imagine facing a sudden evacuation order. Picture a power outage lasting days. Consider the possibility of a natural disaster striking your community. These scenarios may seem unlikely, but they highlight the importance of being ready for anything. Having an emergency kit readily available can be the difference between coping comfortably and facing dire circumstances. It's about taking control of your destiny and ensuring you have the resources to weather any storm. By taking the time to prepare now, you're not only protecting yourself and your loved ones, but also gaining peace of mind. Remember, the unthinkable can happen, but it doesn't have to define your outcome. An emergency kit is essential for surviving 72 hours during a crisis. Think of it as your lifeline when disaster strikes. FEMA and the CDC emphasize the critical role of emergency kits. These kits address fundamental needs: water, food, first aid, shelter, and communication. Items include bottled water, non-perishable food, and a first aid kit. Also, a flashlight, whistle, hand crank weather radio, and multi-purpose tool. Having these essentials can make a world of difference in a disaster. Imagine being without power, clean water, or food. An emergency kit ensures you have these necessities. It's not just for natural disasters, but any situation disrupting your routine. Choosing the right emergency kit is crucial for your safety during a crisis. Follow FEMA and CDC guidelines to make informed decisions. Consider the size of your household. A single-person kit won't suffice for a family. Look for kits specifying the number of people. Prioritize quality and durability. Check for items with a long shelf life. Pay attention to the contents. Essentials include a first aid kit, hand crank weather radio, flashlight, whistle, multi-purpose tool, and thermal blanket. Consider your specific needs and location. In earthquake areas, include a whistle and dust masks. For colder climates, include hand warmers and thermal blankets. Don't forget special considerations for infants, elderly, or pets. Ensure your kit meets their specific needs. Amazon offers a vast selection of emergency kits, making it convenient to find one that suits your needs and budget. Here's a rundown of some top-rated options. Best overall. The name of kit receives high praise for its comprehensive contents and value for money. It includes supplies for number people for number days, featuring essentials like food bars, water pouches, and a first aid kit. Budget-friendly. The name of kit is an excellent choice for affordability. It provides basic supplies for number people for number days. Remember to read reviews, compare features, and choose a kit that aligns with your needs. Section 5. Beyond the basics, customizing your kit for specific needs. While pre-made emergency kits provide a solid foundation, it's essential to personalize them to address your unique circumstances. Consider adding items that cater to your family's specific needs and potential risks. If you have infants or young children, include diapers, wipes, formula, if applicable, baby food, and comfort items. For elderly family members, pack extra medications, reading glasses, and copies of important documents. Pet owners should add pet food, a leash, a collar with ID tags, a portable water bowl, and any necessary medications. If you live in an area prone to specific disasters, such as earthquakes or hurricanes, include items specific to those risks. For instance, earthquake kits should include dust masks, work gloves, and a whistle. Hurricane kits should have a waterproof container for documents, cash, and valuables. Personalizing your kit ensures you're prepared for the unique challenges you may face during an emergency. It's about going beyond the basics to create a safety net tailored to your specific needs and environment. Section 6. Single and ready-to-mingle kits. Tailored for individuals. Living alone doesn't mean facing emergencies alone. In fact, individuals often require the same level of preparedness as families, especially if they live in disaster-prone areas or have specific medical needs. Single-person emergency kits are designed to provide essential supplies for one individual for an extended period, typically 72 hours or more. These kits are compact and lightweight, making them easy to store in small spaces like apartments, dorm rooms, or vehicles. When choosing a single-person kit, prioritize quality over quantity. Look for items with a long shelf life, durable packaging, and essential features. A compact first aid kit, a hand crank weather radio, a multi-purpose tool, a water filtration system, and high-calorie food bars are all crucial components. Remember, being single doesn't mean being alone in an emergency. Having a well-stocked emergency kit ensures you're prepared to face any challenge independently and confidently. Section 7. Prepping your kit storage and maintenance tips. Having an emergency kit is only effective if it's readily accessible and well-maintained. Proper storage and regular maintenance ensure your supplies are in optimal condition when you need them most. Store your kit in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, extreme temperatures, and moisture. A basement, closet, or underbed storage container are all suitable options. Check the expiration dates on food, water, and medications every 6 months. Replace any expired items promptly to maintain the kit's effectiveness. Inspect the condition of other items, such as flashlights, batteries, and first aid supplies. Replace any damaged or worn-out components to ensure everything is in working order. Consider creating a checklist of your kit's contents and their expiration dates. This makes it easy to track what needs replacing and ensures you're always prepared. Remember, an emergency kit is an investment in your safety and well-being. Regular maintenance ensures it remains a reliable lifeline when disaster strikes. Section 8. Beyond the kit, additional supplies for enhanced safety. While a pre-made emergency kit provides a solid foundation for preparedness, there are additional items you can add to enhance your safety and comfort during a crisis. Consider including a whistle to signal for help, a multi-purpose tool with a knife, pliers, and a screwdriver, a solar-powered charger for your electronic devices, and a waterproof container for important documents. Cash in small denominations can be invaluable during emergencies, especially if ATMs are unavailable. Pack a small amount of cash in your kit for unexpected expenses. A map of your local area and a compass can be helpful for navigating if you're displaced or need to evacuate. Include a list of emergency contacts, including family members, friends, and neighbors. Personal hygiene items, such as hand sanitizer, wet wipes, and toilet paper, are often overlooked but essential for maintaining sanitation and comfort. Remember, preparedness is an ongoing process. Regularly assess your kit's contents and add items based on your evolving needs and potential risks. Section 9. Budget-friendly preparedness, affordable options for peace of mind. Building an emergency kit doesn't have to break the bank. There are numerous affordable options available that provide essential supplies without compromising on quality. Start by checking local discount stores, thrift stores, and online retailers for deals on basic supplies like water bottles, canned goods, first aid kits, and flashlights. Consider purchasing items in bulk or during sales to save money. Many online retailers offer discounts for bulk purchases of emergency supplies. Repurpose items you already have around the house. A sturdy backpack can serve as your kit's container, while old towels and blankets can be used for warmth or shelter. Gradually build your kit over time, adding a few items each month. This approach makes preparedness more manageable and affordable. Remember, even a basic emergency kit is better than none at all. Prioritize essential items and gradually expand your kit as your budget allows. Section 10. Investing in resilience premium kits for comprehensive safety. For those seeking the highest level of preparedness, investing in a premium emergency kit offers comprehensive protection and peace of mind. These kits typically include advanced features, durable materials, and a wider range of supplies. Look for kits with water filtration systems, solar-powered chargers, multi-purpose tools, comprehensive first aid kits, and weather-resistant backpacks. Consider kits designed for specific scenarios, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, or extended power outages. These specialized kits often include items tailored to the unique challenges of each situation. Premium kits may also offer extended warranties, customer support, and access to online resources and training materials. While these kits come at a higher price point, they provide a comprehensive solution for those who prioritize resilience and want to be prepared for any eventuality. Section 11. Peace of mind in a backpack. The true value of preparedness. In an unpredictable world, preparedness is a priceless investment. It's about taking control of your destiny and ensuring you have the resources to navigate any storm. An emergency kit, whether basic or comprehensive, provides a tangible sense of security and peace of mind. Knowing you have essential supplies readily available empowers you to face uncertainty with confidence. It allows you to focus on the well-being of yourself and your loved ones, rather than scrambling for basic necessities during a crisis. The true value of preparedness extends beyond the physical items in your kit. It's about cultivating a mindset of resilience, self-reliance, and community support. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, prepared rather than panicked. So, take the time to assess your needs, choose the right emergency kit, and personalize it to your specific circumstances. Remember, preparedness is not just a one-time task. It's an ongoing commitment to your